Dry skin isn't just about ashy or dull skin. It must not look ashy or dull before you know you have a dry skin. It is deeper than that, okay? When your skin feels rough or it feels tight or it feels flaky, that means it's telling you something, meaning that it is dehydrated, it is weak, and it needs a lot of moisture. I mean, a lot of it. Do you understand? A lot of people often confuse dry skin with dehydration. I hope you know the difference. The difference is very, very simple. And that's what I'm going to tell you right now, okay? If you have a dry skin, it's different from being dehydrated. Now, dry skin lacks oil. Dehydrated skin lacks water. Sometimes you even have both. Sometimes you can have a dry skin and even a dehydrated skin. So you should know exactly where you are at the moment. You might notice your makeup doesn't sit well, or your skin looks tired, or you know, you just look tired even when you've slept. You have dry tears on your skin and all of that. No matter how much cream you use, you still feel very dry. That's because most creams only sit on top of your skin. They don't fix the problem inside from deep down. They will just, once you apply cream, they just sit on top of your skin. What you need is a combination of hydration and moisture. Do you understand me now? I mean, you need oil and you need water working together to bring back your skin. Now, the first thing you should do if you find yourself in this condition is what? Start cleansing properly. Most of you use cleanser, but you don't know how to. Stop using soaps that strip your skin. Go for gentle soaps, hydrating cleansers with ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Harsh soaps. What they do is that they remove the little oil that is left in your skin. So what you do, pat dry, don't rub, just pat dry like this. Then while your face is slightly damp, then you apply a hydrating toner. See the cleanser I'm using, we already know that this is a hydrating cleanser, right? You apply a toner. A hydrating toner like this, Acwell 5.5 balancing toner, both day and night, please. Both day and night. It does not have any consequences. It balances your pH level, it calms irritation, and it helps trap water into your skin for a soft and smooth base. Do you understand? I've made a review about this, so just scroll down my page and you will see it. After washing with a simple cleanser, a gentle cleanser, and using a hydrating toner like this, the next thing you will do is what? Know how to layer your moisturizer. Go for products like glycerin, shea butter, squalane. Okay, use Amlactin daily moisturizing lotion. Perfect at see, this lotion is perfect at night. Do you understand? Because it exfoliates your skin gently and then it also hydrates your skin. It smooths dry patches, it evens out your texture, and it gives your skin a renewed glow overnight. Remember that it's an exfoliating lotion. That's why I said you should use it at night, okay? But since it exfoliates, it is best to use it only at night. Please, at night only. Exfoliation and sunlight, they don't go hand in hand. So all of your exfoliating products use at night. So for the day, switch to something lighter like Aveeno Skin Relief Oil Mist, okay? Me, after I apply my cream, I use this one to seal it, okay? Yes, it seals moisture without feeling greasy. It gives instant softness. It adds a natural glow under your sunscreen, okay? So it's perfect for dry skin that still wants to breathe during the day. Let me show you guys something. Can you see? The application is very simple. You just spray it like this and then, can you see? I've had my bath, I've applied my body lotion. See how it is. Your skin can still breathe under this oil. It's very good. If you live in a dry weather, combine both Acwell toner to hydrate, use this Aveeno oil, alright, to seal during the day, and then use Amlactin at night to renew. Okay, you'll wake up to a softer, smoother skin each morning. These are what I use. Where is my Amlactin? I don't even know where I dropped it. These are what I use. See? Do you understand? These are what I use. I use it very well. And I have a dry skin. If you follow me very well, you will know that I have a dry skin. So the next thing you will do is to use a humidifier if you can, okay? Because dry skin sucks the moisture so from your skin without even you knowing it. Do you understand? So hydration is not just about topical and all of that. Drink water. Eat fruits high in water content like watermelon, oranges, and cucumber. These fruits are high in water content and it will hydrate you from the inside, okay? You can also add healthy fats like avocado, olive oil to your meals. They help your skin to stay soft from within. Do you understand? They help your skin more, they hydrate your skin from within. Do you understand? Now, when it comes to exfoliation, remember, less is what more. Less is what more. Over exfoliation dries your skin out. That's something you should know. And it will only make your problem worse. So please, if you have a dry skin, mind the way you exfoliate and don't use harsh scrubs, okay? Now, since Amlactin already has lactic acid inside, that's enough gentle exfoliation for the night. Please do not add another exfoliating product to avoid extra scrubs, harsh scrubs. All of those things should be far away from you. Do you understand? Yes. See, people think that dry skin doesn't need sunscreen. It does, oh, it does. The sun dries your skin faster and it damages your skin barrier. Dry skin and sun, they are far apart. They don't go hand in hand. So use a hydrating sunscreen with hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. Do you understand? It protects and moisturizes the skin at the same time, especially after Aveeno Oil. You can use it after Aveeno Oil. It's very, very good. Do you understand? Good. So if you want that natural glow back, consistency is the key. I always say it. You cannot apply today, skip tomorrow, apply the next day, and you think it will work. No, you have to be consistent daily. Daily. Now, for the morning, cleanse for your morning routine, cleanse with a very mild cleanser like this simple micellar gel wash. It's very mild. Tone with Acwell toner. Apply a moisturizing serum. Moisturize, seal with Aveeno oil, then finish with sunscreen. Then at night, please cleanse with a gentle. Then you can still use this at night, okay? You can still use it. Apply serum, whichever serum of your choice, and then lock in with Amlactin already is heavily moisturizing and is hydrating as well. When you use Amlactin body lotion, please, you don't need to add oil because it's highly moisturizing. Okay, so what I want you to know is that dry skin is not permanent. Okay, once you learn how to feed your skin right, you will see the difference. I have a dry skin. See, I feed it right. You understand? So it's not about how expensive your products are. It's about you using what will truly nourish your skin. So protect your skin, hydrate your skin, and be patient. All right, we are patient here. Can you see the glow? Can you see the glow? Just that little pump. Just that little, see the glow. See, if you have dry skin, just go and forget about any other oil anybody's telling you about. Go and get this one. I've been using it. See, it's empty. Can you see? It's remaining just a tiny little bit inside. I have a dry skin. This is what I'm using. I'm not advertising. No, this is not an advertisement. This company, I'm not their ambassador. But I'm only telling you for your own good because, of course, I need to have your back. No gatekeeping here. Go and get this oil. This is what I use every day. Just spray it. Just spray it on your body and go. Do you understand? Your cleanser, it doesn't need to be expensive. Everybody knows that simple products are very, very, affordable. So please, just do what I say. And please do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell for more skincare content. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay glowing!